Hi, this is Mr. Hove from Bluefin Vision. Today's video talks about will I need glasses after lens replacement surgery. So the starting point for this is, with lens replacement surgery, the aim of the surgery is to get rid of your glasses or contact lenses. So if that is the aim, if we allowed patients who have lens replacement surgery to still need glasses or contact lenses, why would they have spent all this money? So the reality that you have is the aim with lens replacement surgery is to make you spectacle free. How I personally choose to do that is, in the vast majority of patients who are having lens replacement surgery, we're giving them a trifocal lens. Why a trifocal lens? Because a trifocal lens will give you good intermediate, good distance, and good near vision. And so it'll give you the three main working distances. You see clearly for all those three distances, and therefore we can get you out of wearing glasses or contact lenses. So why are we not guaranteeing it? Well, when you do lens replacement surgery, there is a possibility that you end up with a refractive surprise or residual refractive error. And that means you've corrected the prescription. The patient may have been -5. They've ended up perhaps -1 after the surgery. But what we would typically do in lens replacement surgery is to treat the leftover prescription either by putting a piggyback lens, which is a lens on top of the lens that's inside the eye, to get rid of the prescription, or we do some laser eye surgery to treat the leftover prescription and therefore get you completely free of glasses or contact lenses in both your eyes. All of this is assessed when you come for your consultation, and we're then able to explain to you what we can achieve, and the patient is given time to consider whether they want to go ahead with that. Thank you for your time.